Welcome to Moo Moo Math and Science. In this video, you will learn about the circulatory system. The circulatory system is the transportation system of the body. The major structures that make this possible are the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart pumps blood in order to move nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide, disease-fighting white blood cells, and hormones to and from the cells in the body. The circulatory system has two main types of circulation: the pulmonary circulation and the systemic circulation. Pulmonary circulation travels from the heart to the lungs, where your blood picks up oxygen, and then back to the heart. Systemic circulation is from the heart to the rest of the body. Your heart has 4 chambers that is used to pump blood throughout your body: 2 atria, which are the upper chambers, and 2 ventricles, which are the lower chambers. The left and right side of the heart is divided by the septum. Blood vessels carry blood throughout the body. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, and veins carry blood towards the heart. Capillaries, which are the smallest blood vessels in the body, create a network of vessels that connect the veins and arteries. To sum it up, the heart pumps blood to the body through the arteries and returns from the body to the heart through the veins. You have around 1.5 gallons of blood in your body. It is composed of several different types of cells. The first type of blood cell is the red blood cells, which carry oxygen. The second type of blood is known as the white blood cell and helps fight pathogens. The third type of cells is used for clotting the blood, and it is called platelets. These blood cells are found in a liquid plasma, which consists of water, along with electrolytes and some proteins and hormones. It is called plasma. So in summary, the job of the circulatory system is to circulate blood to and from the cells in the body in order to transport nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide, white blood cells, and hormones to and from each cell.